Welcome to 6648 Carmel Drive, located in Lower Macungie Township, Pennsylvania. This home has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and is located on 4/10 of an acre in the East Penn School District. Through the front doors, you are greeted by a sun-drenched 2-story foyer flanked by formal living and dining rooms. Through the foyer, you will find the beautiful modern kitchen with granite countertops, center island, and tile backsplash. The kitchen opens to the family room with 9-foot ceilings, fireplace, and living room and backyard access. A half bath and laundry room complete the first floor. Upstairs, you will be captivated by the large master bedroom with ensuite bath. 3 more well-sized bedrooms and another full bathroom round off the second floor. The professionally finished basement offers extensive living space, featuring a wet bar, full bath, recreation room, and ample storage. This basement is the ultimate entertainer's dream. The large fenced-in backyard with beautiful patio is a perfect retreat for you and your guests. With everything this home has to offer, including new paint and new carpet, there's nothing to do but move in. This won't last long.